How to reset Safari browser on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this short video we will discuss how to reset Safari browser on iPhone and iPad. Let's start the video without wasting any time. To reset the Safari browser history and website data on iPhone, firstly launch the settings page on your device. After launching the Safari browser, scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Safari and click on it. In Safari browser page, there will be website data option. Click on it. As soon as you click on website data, the data of all websites will be displayed here. So click on remove all website data to delete all website data from your browser. Click remove now. So guys, doing this will remove all website data from your Safari browser and the Safari browser will be reset again. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.